All right, day 5. We're going to continue to practice. I call this day Perfect Practice Day. Um, so we're going to take on what we did yesterday, and we're going to build upon it. So, we're going to strengthen your deep work skills as well as continuing to improve your fascination ability. So, hopefully yesterday was very informative. I'm sure reading that short guide and doing that practice was a stretch for some of you, which is good. When you feel the stretch, that means you're actually learning, right? So today, what you're going to do is you're going to add 15 minutes to whatever your time was from yesterday from the deep work session. So that might be, again, a stretch. But again, as you focus on doing the work, as you train your brain to turn away from distraction and back to the task at hand, that's how you're going to develop a mental strength it takes to write good copy. So what we're going to have you do today is we're going to have you go to your swipe file. So you should already be collecting stuff here by yourself, but you also have the community swipe file shared earlier to start looking through. And I want you to find a sales page. Doesn't matter which one, just find a sales page of a promotion. By the way, those swipe file, the files in the swipe file, all the promotions in there, the ones that I provided, those have all done over 7 figures in each promotion, so you know that they're good quality. So pick any of the sales pages you like and read that sales page line by line, read the whole thing, get a feel for what the copy is. And then I want you to write as many fascinations as you can for that product based on that sales page as you can in the remaining time you have for your deep work. So go sit down, read the sales page, and then use all of the remaining time of your deep work to write as many fascinations as possible. Now, I'm going to explain to you why it's so important people to write a lot of fascinations like this. Whenever I start a big project for a client, after I've done some research, before I actually really write any of the copy for any of the pages or emails or Facebook ads or anything, the first thing I do is I sit down and I write at least 100 fascinations for the project about everything from the product itself to the problem they're facing, etc. I write as many fascinations as possible. Now, out of those 100, maybe 20 are actually pretty good. But then those 20 then become fuel for headlines, subject lines, section headings, etc., etc. They become extremely useful. Plus, the exercise generally allows me to go deep, figure out some really powerful curiosity bullets that are fundamental in driving conversions. So the ability to come up with a lot of these is going to be important. It's going to be a big part of how we approach projects in the future. So today's going to be a good chance for you to practice your deep work, practice learning more about how sales copy works, and practice your ability to write compelling fascination bullets. Oh, also, at the very end of this, share your top 3 in the copywriting review channel. You should have access to it based on the time you've been in this tutorial. So share them in there and you'll see if you can get some feedback based on what other people see when they look at your fascinations. So that's today's challenge.